Hello everyone, my name is Quynh Giao. I'm from Duong Thi Quynh Primary School, Tân Bình District. Today we're going to study Unit 10 in the Park, Lesson 2, Grammar. Now open your book to page 75. We will study the modal verb must and mustn't. First, we study must. In affirmative form, I must, you must, he must, she must, it must, we must, they must. So we have the form must plus base form. Now look at the picture. Can you give me an example? Yes. For example, you must play nicely. Or what else? Yes, you must stay near the playground. Let's move to the negative form, mustn't. With long forms. I must not. You must not. He must not. She must not. It must not. We must not. They must not. And with the short forms, I mustn't. You mustn't. He mustn't. She mustn't. It mustn't. We mustn't. They mustn't. Now we have the formation mustn't plus base form. Now look at the picture. Can you give me an example? What are the children doing? They are playing in the fountain. So the man say, you mustn't play in the fountain. Part 2. Listen
and repeat.
We must do our homework. They mustn't talk in class. You must walk on the path. You mustn't walk on the grass.
Remember, mustn't stands for must not. Part 3. Read and match. Number 1. You mustn't walk your dog here. A, B, C, D. D is an example. Number 2. You must put litter in the garbage can. Which one you choose? A, B, C? B, that's right. Number 3. You mustn't take photos here. A, B, C? A, right. Number 4. You must be quiet. A, B, C? C. Part 4. Right. Must, mustn't. Number 1. You mustn't eat here. Okay. Number 2. You must wash your hands. Number 3. You must or mustn't. Mustn't ride your bike here. Number 4. You must or mustn't here? No, mustn't swim here. It's time for workbook. Page 69. Lesson 2, Grammar. 1. Look at the size. Write must or mustn't. Look at the size in the picture. Number 1. You mustn't play in the fountain. Number 2. You must or mustn't. Mustn't walk your dog here. Number 3. You must or mustn't. Must put litter in the garbage can. Number 4. You must or mustn't. Mustn't walk on the grass. Number 5. You must or mustn't pick the flowers. Exercise 2. Look at the picture. Read, fill in the correct circle. 1. You must swim here. The water is very deep. B. You mustn't swim here. The water is very deep. Which one you choose? A or B? B. This is an example. Number 2. You must be quiet. Or B. You mustn't be quiet. Which one you choose? A. 3. A. You must do your homework. B. You mustn't do your homework. Which one you choose? A. Number 4. A. You must pick the flowers. B. You mustn't pick the flowers. Which one you choose? A or B? B. That's right. I think that's enough for you today.